Yeah. It's not real. I don't even want to go back home. Guys, thank you for tuning in today. As the title says, this video it's going to be an unboxing and review of NADULA hair. They sent me this beautiful unit from their Amazon store. It is a T-part closure orange body wave wig, and it came in 16 inches. The hair is really soft and pretty, and I am so in love with the color. Like, you guys don't even know how excited I am to try this color. This is how the wig looks on the inside. The closure part has like a fake scalp situation going on. The wig also came with lashes and a headband for styling. Moving on to installation, I think we can all agree that I am very excited about this hair color. So I started off by putting a wig cap and gluing it with my Got2b glue spray. But I only applied the spray where the closure was going to sit. This was my first time installing a T-part wig, and it was pretty interesting. I would say that I did a lot and I didn't really have to do that much because the hair is supposed to be one of those easy installation sort of wig. It's very beginner friendly, so I would say that yes, I did a lot. You don't have to do all of this to install this unit. So after I cut the wig cap, I went ahead and I did 3 layers of the glue, and the glue I use is the Bold Hold Extreme glue. This wig also comes with the middle part. You cannot change that. That's the only negative thing I would say about the T-part style wig. It's that it's not very customizable. That's why probably it's perfect for beginners. You don't have to do a lot. The middle part is already there. It's a closure. It has a fake scalp. You know, everything is already basically done for you. All you gotta do is put the wig on and, you know, rock it. I didn't know that was the situation because it's my first time trying on a T-part wig. So yeah, I did use some lace tint so that the fake scalp and the lace can be the same tone as my skin. If you don't have lace tint, you can just use the foundation that you regularly use on your skin, and that should work. So after I put the tint, I made sure to dry it with my blow dryer because you don't want no wet lace when it comes to installing your wig. I went ahead and I placed the wig perfectly right on top of the glue, as you guys can see, and I wrapped it. When it came down to styling this hair, I knew I wanted to change the body wave, you know, style. And I wanted to try doing the 70s hairstyle that has been going around for months on TikTok. I have been very, I've been looking into that hairstyle for a while, and I thought that this was a really good hair to try it on with just because it's so vibrant. And when I received the hair, I was like, oh my god, I'm going to try the trend and style the wig with the 70s style. After flat ironing the hair, I went ahead, I cut the lace, and I plugged the middle part a little bit, just a little bit, to make sure it blends well with my skin. And I used some wax stick and a hot comb to make sure the hairs are in place. I did some baby hairs on the side, you know, the typical. You guys can see how I'm doing it. I honestly think I'm gonna let you guys just watch me work this hair, and I'll come back to you guys. This is how it looks straight. That's how long it looks also. It's not too long. I think it's the perfect length for me because I don't like extremely long hair. I would say that this hair took and it takes heat very well. I have changed the style a few times. If you saw at the beginning of the video, the hair was like wavy and curly because I did change the style a few days after filming the wig, and I would say that that was my favorite way of wearing this wig. I went ahead and I put some concealer on the T part just to, you know, make sure it looks like a scalp purr. And then I combed the curls and I shake my head like everybody did on TikTok. It gave me a headache, but it looked really nice. I struggled a little bit because I would say that I didn't let the curls set enough on one of the sides of my hair, but it was fine. It looked good. I took some pictures and it looked amazing. I was really happy. I did fix it a little bit after the video, but it was really nice. Like I said, the hair takes the heat very well, so I was able to go from one hairstyle to another. This is how I wore it during the video, but I also added some clips of how I wore it a few days after when I was going to work and I had to rock this orange hair. So I did give it some more of a curl wave style, and I'm happy with it. I love this hair. So yeah, this is everything for the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm gonna link the hair, the website, and everything you guys might need on the description box. Any coupons or anything like that is also gonna be listed on my description box. So yeah, I hope you guys like this little tutorial slash unboxing. Let me know in the comments what do you think about this hair and which way do you like to see it on me better. And yeah, see you guys on my next video. Bye.